भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Hello children, welcome to your English literature video classes. I hope you are filling up your revision sheets and doing your revisions, right? And till now we have finished 3 lessons in our revision sheet. The first 3 lessons from the textbook, which was back to school. Then second one was the wonderful nature. Third was world of magic. And now fourth. Now fourth is the animal adventures. Do you remember the lesson of Ruby, animal artist, elephant? So this is the same lesson, right? And now we are going to proceed with the revision sheet, right? Okay, now before we start, as you know, this revision sheet is made according to your vocabulary and textual part as well as the phonics, right? So now in animal adventures, what phonics did we learnt? We learnt the phonics of BL, blur, right? That is blush, blood, blur, isn't it? So let's start. See, here are certain sentences given. You have to complete the sentence with the BL word. Sentences दिए हैं आपको, वो sentences BL word जो नीचे दिए हैं उससे complete करना है, right? So 7 words are there and 7 blanks are there, isn't it? So first is, I don't like the sight of dash. What happens? Some people are there who don't like the sight of blood. Even I don't like the sight of blood. अगर मैं blood देखती हूँ तो मेरा सर घूमने लगता है. So there are people who don't like the sight of blood. So we write here BLOOD, blood, which is 1 number, right? Okay. Now second is, will you please give me a dash piece of paper? So piece of paper में blur कैसे set होगा? Blast तो नहीं हो सकता, blonde भी नहीं हो, bloom no, bleach no, blade no. So blank, खाली piece of paper, right? कोरा कागज. So we write here blank, 2 number. Blank piece of paper, कोरा कागज चाहिए, खाली. My brother has dash hair. मेरे brother का कैसा hair है? Hair is always black, brown, blonde. So 3, blonde. My brother has blonde hair. Now fourth. My mom had to use some dash get it clean again. So what mom has to use? How do we clean something? We use bleach to clean something. Bleach is basically fabric whitener. अगर white कपड़ा गंदा हो गया है, उस पर कोई दूसरा कलर लग गया है, so what do? We use bleach to clean the cloth, to make it white again. So my mom had to use some bleach. This is fourth, bleach. See, all the words are having BL, right? So BL is pronounced as blur, blood, blank, blonde, bleach. Now fifth is, I had a dash at my friend's party. So what did I had? I had a blast. Blast मतलब too much enjoyment. We say, अगर आप कभी किसी के घर जाओ या किसी के पार्टी में जाने वाले हो तो sometimes people will be complimenting, have a blast at the party. So blast means too much fun. बहुत सारा मज़ा करना is blast. Okay. Now number 6, that dash is very sharp. So what can be sharp? अभी इसमें दो ही options बचे, right? Blade and bloom. अब bloom तो sharp हो नहीं सकता, so blade is sharp. So we write here B-L-A-D-E, blade. 6th number. Now next, the last one remaining is bloom. So last one will go and fit in 7th number. It's spring and all of the flowers are at bloom. Right? So this is 7. B-L-O-O-M, bloom. Bloom मतलब खिल जाना. Flowers spring season में खिल जाते हैं, isn't it? Okay, now let's move to question number B. Here you have to just add BL in all the blanks. सारे blanks में आपको BL add करना है and then उसको respective figures से match करना है. So what I am going to do is I am going to give this as your homework for today. Just you have to add BL, BL, BL. So what will it become? B-L-U-S-H, blush. B-L-O-O-M, bloom. B-L-A-I-N, blaine. Sorry, you have to add br, B-R. It's my mistake, sorry. B-R, you have to see, complete the word with B-R and match with pictures. So you have to add B-R in all the words. So B-R-U-S-H, brush. B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-A-I-N, brain. B-R-I-C-K, brick. B-R-O-W-N, brown. And B-R-E-A-D, bread. Now after adding B-R, you have to match it. So brush, match with brush. Broom, it's better if we write the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now इस तरीके से लाइन खींचकर मैच करने से बहुत गंदा गंदा हो जाता है, राइट? सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन राइट द नंबर्स हियर. जो जिससे मैच होता है वी कैन राइट इट डाउन. सो ब्रश इज फर्स्ट, सो इट मैचेस विथ ब्रश, 1 number. Now second is B-R-O-O-M, broom. So broom. B-R-A-I-N, brain, 3. B-R-I-C-K, brick, 4. B-R-O-W-N, brown, 5. And B-R-E-A-D, bread, 6. Right? So we are done with this, and adding BR is your homework. Now let's turn the page. Now here we have your textual questions, right? What talents do elephants have? Elephants के पास कौन सा talent होता है? So you remember the lesson? If you remember the lesson, you must be aware of it. We bought that house. So possessive pronoun is we becomes ours, my becomes mine, he becomes his, right? So we bought that house last year, it is ours. As I said, we becomes ours. This car belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Smith. It is theirs. क्योंकि दो है तो it becomes plural and it becomes theirs. I think I saw John drop this pen. I think it is his. क्योंकि John is a boy, so boy को his हो जाता है, right? He का his हो जाता है. This book is dash. It has my name on it. This book is mine. My का mine बन जाता है possessive pronoun में. My brother and I made that chair. It's ours. क्योंकि my and I becomes we, right? Like if I say I and Dishita ma'am, we both teach English, right? So I and my becomes we, and we का possessive pronoun is ours. Number 6. Excuse me, this phone is dash. You forget to take it with you. This phone is yours. You ka becomes yours, right? Her sister draw the picture. It's hers. Her ka becomes it's her sister's. Sister में apostrophe s, so it's her sister's. The little boy shouted, "Give the ball to me. It's mine." Me है तो me का becomes mine. Remember, my and me becomes mine. That's dash. We bought it last night at the department store. That's ours. As we becomes ours, है ना? Now, number 10. The bicycles were dash, so they rode them home after school. The bicycles were theirs. They ka becomes theirs. The bicycles were theirs. Theirs नहीं, there. Because यहाँ पे already you remember verb वाला, verb में क्या यहाँ पे noun is already plural, so this will be there. The bicycles were there, so they rode them home after school. Are you sure this bag belongs to your mother? Yes, it's hers. Are you sure this book belongs to your mother? Yes, it's hers. Because mother is female, female becomes hers. This is dash. You ordered the pizza, I ordered the spaghetti. This is yours. You ordered the pizza, I ordered the spaghetti. So you becomes yours. या तो फिर अगर आप यहाँ पे mine लिखते हो, I का mine, this is mine, you ordered the pizza, I ordered the spaghetti, तो दोनों राइट होगा. आप yours भी लिख सकते हो और ये mine भी लिख सकते हो. दोनों में से आप जो भी लिखोगे, both would be correct. Now 13. Is this Robert's? No, it's not his. Because Robert is male, boy है, so boy का his. I think these keys are dash. I left them on the table. These keys are mine because my, me, I becomes mine. I think these keys are mine. I left them on the table. Thomas can find his classroom, but Suzanne and Mary can't find theirs. Because Suzanne and Mary together becomes we, right? Plural हो जाता है, so plural becomes theirs. Now here, F number. What you have to do here is, here are certain birds and animals. You have to categorize them according to their movements. Like birds will fly, reptiles will crawl, some animals will run, fish will swim, and some animals will jump, right? So what we have to do is cat. Cats क्या करते हैं? Cats crawl. Pigeon fly. Kangaroo jump. Dolphin swim. Cheetah run. Right? So this is how you have to do it. I hope you have understood movements. You remember the movement wala exercise that we did in lesson number 4? Same way, but I have made it easier for you. यहाँ पर मैंने already animals, reptiles, birds and fishes के names दिए हैं. Only you have to categorize them on their movement. Right? So it's very simple. Birds will fly. Some animals will crawl like snake, worm. Right? Some animals will run like deer, cheetah, horse. All the fishes will swim like dolphin, jellyfish, octopus, they swim, right? And some animals will jump. Like deer, grasshopper, antelopes, right? They jump. So you have to write it down accordingly over here. Done? I hope you have understood it. So let's meet up in the next class with lesson number 5 ka revision. So this is your homework. So exercise number F and exercise number B is your homework. Right? Chalo then. See you in the next class.